linguists they'd learnt the language, but every time they spoke, the old ladies would laugh because there's some really complicated sounds, like very few poets that I've heard simple, like really complicated muscular stuff. These linguists simply weren't doing that. They were reciting the words, but specific creations of reduction in terms of the understanding of the language. And this is what people will use to reconstitute a language later, so that this dying doctor, as you say, is actually being killed. Consultation seems to be fundamentally absent in a lot of these areas. I'm not really interested for everyone. I think archives are interesting, but the process of killing something while you preserve it, like